Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, it's your girl Kellz. By the title of the video, you know what's going down. Today I'll be showing you guys my simple everyday, well, not every day, but on the weekend, my foot care routine. You want them baby soft feet. I mean, you don't want to be in bed and your feet are catching fire. Okay, so basically guys, these are just some of the items I use. I don't use them all the time. It depends on the condition of your feet. So I'll be listing the items down below and just giving you some of the benefits of it, why I use them. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, comment, share. Always put in the comment if you want me to do something. I'm just building here. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. Yeah, so basically guys, I will not be narrating much, as I don't think I need to, but I will be adding some description so that you can know exactly what I'm doing and how the process actually works. So basically, let's just get right into